The title of Unit 4, Building Bridges. Going ahead. Chapter 2, we are learning. Already we are going to complete Chapter 2, Unitary Method. I request everyone, open page number 18, section B. On the top of the course book, there is space, students, note down. On the top of the course book, there is space. Note down. First bit he has given, complete the following table given that X and Y vary directly. X and Y vary directly. On the top of the course book, note down. Y by X is equal to Y by X is equal to constant. Y by X is equal to constant. This is called direct variation. Y by X is equal to constant. This is called direct variation. This concept is very interesting concept, student. Actually, you will learn in the higher classes like in 7th class and 8th class, but I am explaining here only, don't worry. Second, y into x. Y into x is equal to constant. That is called inverse variation. That is called inverse variation. Constant means any numbers. Okay. These two concepts note down on the top of the course book. Y by x is equal to constant, direct variation. Y into x is equal to constant, inverse variation. Yeah. Y by x is equal to constant, direct variation. Y into x is equal to constant, inverse variation. What is the meaning of constant? Constant means it can come any value, any numbers. Yeah, concentrate here, everyone. Now we are coming back to our question, page number 18, section B, week 2. Don't write week 2, section B. Page number 18. Concentrate, everyone. Don't write anything. First bit. First bit he has given, complete the following table given that x and y vary directly. If x and y is varying directly, which formula will apply? Y by x or y into x? Y by x. That variation means I want to apply first formula, y by x. Y by x. Now they have given one table. This is one table, x, y. X value is 8, y is 48. Here 11, we don't know this value. This value we don't know, 84. This value he has given 21, and this value we don't know. Concentrate, everyone. In this question, he has clearly mentioned x and y varies directly. X and y is very directly. First case, concentrate, everyone. If x and y is varying directly, it means I want to apply y by x concept. Y by x concept. Concentrate. Mental. Concentrate here. Just now I have explained, if I am talking about that variation, I want to apply y by x concept. Y by x, first condition, y by x. What is the value of y? I am taking this first one. What is the value of y? 48. What is the value of x? 8 is equal to 6. First get we are getting 6. Now I am talking about second case. Second case he has given, I want to apply same formula y by x. But what is the value of y? We don't know. I will write blank. I will write blank because the value of y we don't know. The value of x he has given 11. Now tell me students, in this 11, which number I will multiply? In this 11, which number I will multiply? It will become, or we can say opposite. Here I am dividing 8 divided by 6, 48 divided by 6, 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. It means it will come division. It means the numerator will become bigger value. If I want to write here 66, then 11 divided 66 divided by 11 is equal to 6. The value of x is 66. Are you getting my point? I want to get only 6. How to get 6? If I am writing in numerator 66, then I want to divide 66 divided by 11 is equal to 6. Now we got it 66. Two case completed. Third case, case 3, again y by x. The value of y is 84. In third case, this second case and third case is this 84. 84 divided by x value we don't know. He has not given. I want to write dot dot only. Now how I will get 6? Means in 84, which number I will divide? 84 divided by which number I will get 6? I will get 6. 14. If I want to write 14, then I will get 6. 14. Now 84 divided by 4, 84 divided by 14 is equal to 6. This answer I got 6. You are observing in direct variation we are getting y by x is equal to 6. Y by x is equal to 6. Fourth condition, y by x. Y value he has not given. Y value he has not given. I want to write dot. X value is 21. Now what numerator will be greater than lesser value? Greater value. How will get 6? It means I want to multiply 21 into 6. 21 into 6, 126. Then 26 divided by 21 is equal to 6. Last answer is 126. This is the case of direct variation. Note down this all. Section B, first bit space is there in the course book. You write down vertically. Write down clearly, everyone. Second table. The second table, second concept is very important concept. Those are missing today's class. They are going to miss very important concept. Second bit. Table E has given x, y. X is 5, y is 12, x is 10. This we don't know value. This also value we don't know. 5, 15. This value also we don't know. Concentrate everyone here. In this question, he has mentioned very clearly, complete the following table given that x and y varies indirectly. Indirectly means inverse proportional. I have given just now one concept. If there are inverse proportional, then I want to apply which concept? Y into x is equal to constant. Y into x is equal to constant. First case. I'm talking about first case. What is y? Y into x is equal to, what is the value of y here? 12. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. Second case, it means each and every case I want to get answer 60. If our answer is coming 60, then our answer is coming right. Now second case again I want to write y into x is equal to, what is the value of y? We don't know. I will write dot. Into x value is 10. Now in this 10, which number I will multiply, it will become 60. 10 6 is 60 is equal to 60. This value we got it 6. Are you getting my point? Y into x, y value we don't know. X value he has given 10. In this 10, which number I want to multiply, it will become 66. Case 2 completed. Case 3. Y into x is equal to, the value of y is 5. Second case completed. Third case I am checking. 5 into, the value of x he has not given. I want to write dot dot. Now in the place of y, in the place of x, how I will get 60 students? In the place of x, which value I will write? I will get 60. Which value I want to multiply, it will become 60. 12. 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. This is answer is 12. I hope it is very clear. Fourth condition, y into x is equal to, the value of y he has not given. I will write dot dot. Into, the value of x is 15. Our answer can come 60. In the 15, which number I will multiply, it will become 60? Tell me. 4. 4. 15 into 4 is equal to 60. Answer is 4. It is very clear. When I will apply this concept, y into s equal to constant, inverse variation or indirect variation? Inverse variation. In the case of direct variation, y by x is equal to constant. There is space in the course book, section C, down to the section C, note down this answer, first bit answer. Actually, this concept is the divide symbol, divide concept, divide 20 rupees into two parts between two ratios. Same question is this also. Section C, first bit A question. Ritu is an insurance agent. She sells 80,000 rupees worth of policies and earns a commission of 12,000 rupees. what would be the commission earned by Ritu if she sells policies worth 55 lakhs 60,000? Very clear question. Ritu is an insurance agent. She sells 80,000 rupees worth of policies. It means total value he has given. First term is 12,000. Second term is 80,000. The total money is 55 lakh 60,000. It means commission earned by Ritu is equal to, down to the course book, there are space, no down student. Commission earned by Ritu commission earned by Ritu is equal to first term by total term into total money. First term is what? 12,000 rupees. Second term is 80,000 rupees into total money is 55 lakh 60,000. This 40, this 40 cancel out. 12,000 into 556 divided by 8. 667 2000 divided by 8 is equal to 8,34,000 rupees. And B question, I have explained direct proportion and inverse proportion concept. This B, C, D, E, F question. This is the homework question. You have to apply here direct proportion and inverse proportional concept. Take fresh page on the top keep heading, chapter 3 percentage. Chapter 3 percentage. Yeah. Before starting this percentage concept, firstly, I want to narrate one story. Everyone concentrate here. Listen carefully, everyone. I am going to narrate one story. Listen carefully. There are two friends. There are two friends. First name is Shreya and second name is Beena. There are two friends, Shreya and Beena. Beena was very happy. She was so happy and she was teaching to the Shreya. She got more marks compared to the Shreya. Beena got 10 by 20. and Shreya got 5 by 10. Bina was so happy. Bina was so happy, and she was teasing to the Shreya, I got more marks. What happened? Shreya also was thinking, I got 5 by 10 and Bina got 10 by 20. I got only 5 marks, but Bina got 10 marks. Then Shreya was very sad and Bina was very happy. She was teasing to the Shreya. What happened? Again, one more person was going, crossing to the, they were teasing both each and Brina and Shreya both were teasing to each another. One person was going, he told, don't tease to anyone. You concentrate here. You got, both of you got equal marks. Then they told how? Then that person told, I am giving proper answer. How both of you got equal percentage? Then he told 5 by 10 into 100, 1010 cancel, 50%. Again for Shreya, Bina also he told 10 by 20 into 100, 50%. Then both were shocked. How it is possible? I got 5 by 10 and 10 by 20. It means both got equal percentage. Then that person told percentage is nothing but a special type of fraction. And fraction 5 by 10 and 5 by 10 and 10 by 20 both are equivalent fraction. Both are equivalent fraction. What is equivalent fraction? If same number we are multiplying with numerator or dividing with numerator and denominator, that is called equivalent fraction. 10 by 20. Then both were very happy. Yes, both we got equal percentage. Understood, everyone? It means percentage is nothing but a special type of fraction concept. A special type of fraction concept. Now, from where this percentage concept has come? The term percentage is derived from Latin word percentum. Means per means one centum means 100. Out of 100 is nothing but percentage. What is percentage? Out of 100 is nothing but percentage concept. I hope the story is very clear. Now both were teaching to each and everyone, but actual what happened here? That person was crossing, he told, no, I am giving proper solution to you. Both of you got equal marks, equal percentage. Are you getting my point? Left right keep heading, percentage. The term percentage of percent, both are same student. The term percentage, the term percentage is derived from the term percentage derived from the Latin word percentum. Percentum meaning by the 100. By the 100. The first our point, percent means Percent means out of 100. Example. First example. If I'm writing here first example 40%, the symbol of percentage student. 40% means what? 40% means 40 out of 100. 40% means 40 out of 100. 40% means 40 out of 100. Or we can write 40 by 100. Second example, 11 percentage. 11 percentage means 11 out of 100. 11 by 100. This is not 110. 11 out of 100. 11 by 100. Third example, 75%. What is meaning of 75%? 75% means 75 out of 100. It means 75 by 100. Fourth example, 58%. 58% means 58 by 100. Fifth example, 71 percentage. 71 percentage means 71 by 100. Sixth example, 37 percentage means 37 by 100. Out of 100 is nothing but percentage. Now I am drawing one table. Draw this table, everyone. Percent, fraction, ratio, reducing, lowest terms. I'm writing first question, 30 percentage. Now 30 percentage I want to write into fraction form. What is answer? 30 by 100. I want to write in ratio form. 30 is to 100. I want to reduce 30 by 100. 1010 cancel. 3 by 10. What is lowest form? 3 by 10. One more example I'm writing. 80%. 80% I want to write into fraction. 80 out of 100. I want to write ratio form. 80 is to 100. I want to reduce 80 by 100. 1010 cancel. 8 by 10. Again we can simplify. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 4 by 5. One more I am writing example. 36%. 36 percentage I want to convert into fraction. 36 by 100. I want to write in ratio form. 36 is to 100. Reduced form. 36 by 100. I want to simplify. 4 9 ja 36. 4 25 is 100. 9 by 25. Draw this table clearly, everyone. I have converted percentage into fraction, fraction into ratio. Ratio I have written in reduced form or lowest form.